Hi! Looks like you have a complete course. Congratulations! Now, before you open and set your course online, there are a few things you need to do. Are you planning to use this course for multiple batches of classes? If yes, you need to set up your classes. By setting up your classes, you can use the same material in the course for every class. But each class will have its own space for learners to interact with their peers. This step is optional. If you don't plan to use this function, you can skip this step. To set up your classes, click Course Setup, then click on General. Scroll down until you see classes in your course. You can edit and add more classes to the course. To add more classes, click Create a new class. First, put in your class name here. Then choose the enrollment type, whether it is a public or private course. If you choose a private course, you have the option to provide access code to your learners or manually add your learners to the course. For this course, I will choose public enrollment. This will let the learners find and enroll into the course on their own. For enrollment course, you can only set the payment if it is a public course. I am going to leave this as free. Then just click Create. Now you have 2 classes for this course. You can add as many classes as you want. You can easily change between each classes from this drop-down menu. Next, we are going to look at the class timeline. If you plan to have a start date, set your modules open by week or day, and set an end date to your course or classes, you can use the timeline feature. This is also an optional step. If you don't wish to use this feature, you can skip this step. To set your class timeline, go to Administer Learners, then click Timeline. On this page, you can set the start date, the enrollment close date, and the end date of this course. This would help you in managing the different classes that you have in the course. Besides that, you can also set the class spacing, which gives you control on when you want the students to access the course content. I will use the Schedule option and show you how this works. Once you have set a start date and choose the Schedule option, the modules that you have created will show up. To set the class spacing for each module, just drag the module to the perfect date. The students will only see that the modules are available, but they could not access it. Other than setting the class pace by modules, you can also set page due dates and access time. Simply type in the page name and choose the desired page, and then just set the due date or the access time. If you want to set the access time, just untick the default box. This will prompt the date box to come up for you to key in the preferred dates. As the course admin, you could still go in to access the pages. Only the students are not able to access them. Once again, this step is optional. You can use this method if you want to set a timeline for your course. Finally, once everything is ready, you can set your course online. This means that the learners can come in and join the course. To set your course online, just go to Course Setup and then click General. You will see this text, Course Status is offline. Just click it to change your course to online. Great! Now your course is online. Your learners can now join the course and start their learning journey.